Alright guys, I figure I'd give you an update on the Miata, simply because I've been gone for a while and I haven't done anything with it since I left to go work on that Plymouth. Now that it's been sitting for a while, I miss it a lot more. There's a few things on here that are pretty wrecked and it's gonna need some fixing. Like, my door cards in there are starting to mold, so I'm gonna have to get some new door cards. I mean, that's kind of something I wanted to do anyway, and I guess I'll be doing it now. As for the, just touched a bunch of mold anyway. Whatever. Yeah, they're pretty beat up, which is, you know, whatever. As for in here, I do have to take the rear wiring harness out because it does what I am assuming, I haven't really done much looking into, is it connects to this harness right here. So I believe it goes down and around and all the way back. And hopefully my clutch isn't wrecked there, being open and moisture and whatnot. There's a lot that I have to do because it's pretty trash now. As for the rest of the motor, I'm contemplating getting a new intake, probably the skunk tube. It's gonna be a good amount of money, and then, you know, maybe a coolant reroute while I'm back here because I gotta get a new coolant temp sensor. There's just a lot of things to do. I gotta make another list. Probably gonna leave the bay as it is. Actually, no, I'm gonna clean it up because it's pretty trash and I don't like that. And as for the wrap, if you guys are asking, I think I'm gonna change it up. Well, I only had this wrap on the car for a month, so I'm gonna just rewrap that color. And then one thing that I really want to do after being in Texas for a while, oh man, coilover, is I want to run a fender exit exhaust. And to do that, I have to run the exhaust up and around, down, or up, over, and through this, which seems reasonably easy to do. I just gotta watch out for these clutch lines. It's gonna be kind of a long process to do that, but I think it'd be pretty dope. It'd be something to think about and do because I'm kind of tired of the hood dump. It's a little annoying, and exhaust work isn't too terribly hard. It's just gonna be fun routing it. I mean, again, it's just clutch lines. And as for the harness, I have to go get it out and see what I have. Alright, now that I'm looking at this more and more, I think I have the whole harness. So this is the main harness right here, this rat's nest, and then this is what I was talking about that runs to the back of the car. It's this long wire in the fuse box. It's exactly what's cooked in mine. So I believe I have the whole harness. Again, I just got to throw it in and we'll see what happens. And then I also need to get a couple more things still, but here's the fuel pressure line stuff that originally caught fire, these guys. So I'm just going to delete these and run like a stainless hose from it. I'm going to look up some fittings that people do and see what they recommend, because I really don't like those, and they're already old rubber, plastic, whatever it is. And then this is the charcoal canister stuff. I don't think I'm gonna run it anyway. I don't think I have to if I get a new intake, but I am also thinking, since the car is completely stripped, I'm gonna do some chassis bracing to it, because you have to anyway to get it braced, and you have to run drills and screws. You gotta take the carpet out anyway. But yeah, I got a whole container of parts, so this will be something to do in probably about a week or so. I'm gonna start ordering some more parts and looking for some more stuff and seeing what I need. But I believe this is all. You know, I thought I needed more, but I believe this is all of it. And I got this all for $100. And this guy right here to make my hood work. So yeah, that's pretty sweet. I'm pretty hyped. Yeah, because like I said, when I got it and just kept it because I was leaving, I just threw it in storage and didn't think much of it, but I have everything I need. Alright guys, I think that's gonna about wrap it up for today's video. I just want to give you guys a quick update on the car, because I know a lot of people are asking about it. When's it coming back? What are you doing with it? What's the plans? No, I am not selling it. No, I'm not parting it out. And no, it will not be sitting for any longer. So we're gonna get this back on the road. Again, another project. Thinking about getting another turbo and new wastegate, and again rerouting the exhaust somewhere a little bit different. So with that being said, I will catch you guys in the next one when we start, I guess, tearing it apart some more and then adding the new wiring harness for the most part, kind of getting it in place, because I do have to do a little bit of replacing on here, like the power steering pump, alternator, and starter, because those are going out anyway. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's shorter, a lot of talking on it, but I'll catch you guys in the next one.